Today we have to discuss about organization dynamics. So if you want to understand how a business works, you have got to look at all the moving part together. So you cannot just focus on one thing like money or leadership. You have got to see, you have got to see the how everything connected like a puzzle or machine with a gate. Now you see those cubes on the right side, each represent a key part. Each represent a key part of how organization function. So let's start one by one. The first one we have here is your strategy. This one is strategy and culture, which means that this is actually the brain and personality of the business. This is the brain and personality of the business. Strategy means a plan, while the culture means that how people behave and interact. So what we are actually trying to say that strategy is the plan, what the business want to achieve, and culture is how people behave and interact. So if you are working somewhere, you will feel the culture every day. Is it friendly or strict or creative? So that vibe affect everything, right? After that, the second part of this system is your process and technology. And this is basically the engine room. Okay, this is the engine room, which means that processes or the step you follow to get the things done, and technology is the tool set, means software, machines, and system. So if your process is messy or your tech is outdated, things slow down, and you have probably felt that frustration when a system crash or files go missing. After that, you will have the people and leadership. This one, you see this cube, the people and leadership, which means that this is basically the heart of the business. I will say this is the heart of the business. Because people bring the skills, definitely they bring the skills, energy, and idea. So that is why I'm saying that is the heart of the business. And leadership guides them, motivate them, and set the tone. So if you have got strong leadership, you feel supported. If not, you feel lost. And you have seen both. Okay, haven't you? And then let's move on to the financial flow. That this cube, you see this one, and this cube, as you may say, is a bloodstream. The financial flow is the blood stream, which means that money coming in and going out. So sales, expenses, investment, profits, all of it. If the financial flow is blocked or mismanaged, the whole body suffer, and you and I both know no money, no moment. Okay. And the fifth one, the last one, that is a market and regulation. This cube, you see this one, market and regulation. So this is the environment the business lives. This is the environment where the business lies, and which means that market is the customer or the competitor or the trend, and regulation means the laws, rules, and compliance. You cannot ignore this stuff. If the markets shift or laws change, the business has to adopt, or it's a risk falling behind. So what is the big idea? That all these parts are connected, and you change one and the other, feel it. So you improve your tech, your processes get faster, you hire better leaders, you people perform better, and you mess up your finances, everything slow down. So you have got to think holistically. That's what organization dynamics is all about, understanding how everything work together. So this is the first slide. Let's move on to another one.